Hey everyone, welcome to my craft room.
On this side of my craft room, I have this really long desk, and it has one leg here and then it has one leg there. But I've noticed, and I think it's because of my sewing machine, that the desk is starting to really bow in the middle. So I am going to go to IKEA tomorrow and pick up another set of legs, and we're going to install it between my paper rack and then this organizer so I can still access those drawers, and maybe put one in the back. If we can't make that work, we're going to put like a 2x4 into the wall so that this will sit on it on the back wall up there. And so what I have to do is clear this entire counter off, this walkway, and I need to pull out all of these organizing units and all of this stuff and clear it so that we can work in here. And what I've done is, outside of my craft room door, I've put up this table, and I'm going to start relocating all of these supplies from this area onto the table so that we can install the new leg.
Here's a quick overview of all of the items that I took off of that desk, and I cannot believe how much stuff was actually on there.
This desk is all cleared off now, and you can probably see from back there how bad it's bowing in the middle. And so this is the worst part. That's gonna make a huge difference with that leg right there. So this is all cleaned off. My windows and my blinds are all clean, and then I'll show you what I'm working on. Hopefully putting this in here will fix the problem that I'm dealing with my sewing machine.
After I put the second organizer in, I realized that the drawers would not open with the leg in the temporary location that it was in. So my husband just came back and we moved the leg over so that I had access to the 8.5 by 11 paper on the left and then the organizers on the right.
We just put the new leg under the table, and then back here you can see we also put in a 1x2 in the middle to prevent it from bowing where the heavier sewing machine is. And so yeah, it looks good. I also velcroed up my outlet surge protector because the outlet is behind this unit. So I just velcroed it up here so the wires are out of my way. It looks good. I'm getting ready to tackle putting this whole area back together. I'm enjoying how much empty space this is. There's so much I want to do on this empty space. Sorting, organizing, decluttering. but we'll see. We'll see how this goes.
And as you can see, that definitely did not go as I planned. That is how my desk looks right now. It's full of stuff that I have been sorting and organizing in my craft room. And this space is the space that I use to do all my sorting and organizing. And at some point, I do hope to have it open enough to put certain holiday or projects that I'm working on. But for right now, I'm using the space to sort and organize as I declutter my craft room. But the desk itself is looking much better now that it has that extra support. I'm sure that the sewing machine is not the only thing that was causing that to bow. As you can see, this desk is always packed full of my supplies, and I'm sure that a lot of that weight had to do with it. But it seems to be holding up very well right now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room. I hope you all have a great day. Bye!